That's the promise of the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star motorhome. And once you look closer, it's easy to see why so many RV enthusiasts call this one of the most refined diesel pushers on the road today. From the outside, the 2026 Dutch Star immediately commands attention. This coach looks confident, polished, and unmistakably high-end. Newmar's full-paint masterpiece finish gives it a deep, glossy look that feels more like a luxury bus than an RV. The paint schemes are modern and elegant, with clean lines that flow from front to back. The redesigned front cap is sleek and aerodynamic, helping with both fuel efficiency and wind noise. LED headlights and accent lighting not only modernize the look, but also improve visibility during night driving. Along the sides, flush-mounted windows and hidden slide mechanisms keep everything looking smooth and seamless. Storage is generous, with large pass-through compartments that are side-hinged, easy to access, and perfect for long trips or full-time living. Step inside, and the Dutch Star instantly changes the way you think about motorhome interiors. The space feels open, bright, and inviting, thanks to high ceilings, wide slides, and a smart floor plan design. Newmar's craftsmanship is on full display, from the solid hardwood cabinetry to the premium flooring under your feet. The living area feels residential, not RV-like, with plush seating, theater recliners, or a large sofa positioned perfectly for relaxing after a long drive. A large LED TV and integrated sound system make it easy to unwind, while big windows flood the space with natural light. Power shades give you full control over privacy and temperature, day or night. The kitchen is designed for people who actually enjoy cooking on the road. You'll find a residential-style refrigerator, plenty of counter space, and high-end appliances like an induction cooktop or traditional gas range, depending on the setup. A convection microwave handles everything from reheating leftovers to baking meals. The deep sink, stylish backsplash, and soft closed drawers make the space feel upscale and functional. Storage is abundant, with cabinets that stay secure while traveling, so nothing shifts or rattles while you're rolling down the highway. The bedroom continues the theme of comfort and practicality. Many floor plans offer a king-size bed surrounded by overhead cabinets, nightstands, and large wardrobes. It's designed for real living, not just weekend trips. Some layouts include a washer and dryer or prep for one, making long-term travel far more convenient. The bathroom feels like a private spa with a roomy shower, high-quality fixtures, and elegant finishes. Depending on the floor plan, you may get a split bath or a spacious rear bath. Under the skin, the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star is just as impressive. Built on a Spartan K2 or Freightliner chassis, this motorhome delivers a smooth, stable ride that inspires confidence. Power comes from a reliable Cummins diesel engine, offering strong torque for hills, towing, and highway driving. One of the standout features is Newmar's Comfort Drive adaptive steering system, which makes handling this large coach surprisingly easy. It reduces driver fatigue, keeps the motorhome steady in crosswinds, and makes long drives far more enjoyable. The air suspension smooths out rough roads, giving you a quiet, comfortable ride mile after mile. Technology is another strong point. Touchscreen control panels allow you to manage lighting, climate, slides, tank levels, and more with just a few taps. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and lane departure warnings add peace of mind, especially during long-distance travel. The diesel generator runs quietly, and the electrical system is robust enough to support extended stays off-grid without sacrificing comfort. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Newmar Dutch Star sits firmly in the luxury category, with starting prices typically landing in the mid to high $500,000 range, depending on floor plan and options. Add custom upgrades and the price can climb higher, but for many buyers, the value is clear. You're paying for exceptional build quality, advanced technology, long-term reliability, and a level of comfort that rivals high-end residential living. The 2026 Newmar Dutch Star isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle choice. It's for people who want to travel without giving anything up, who want power, elegance, and comfort all in one package. If you could take this coach anywhere, where would you go first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth motorhome reviews. The open road is waiting, and the Dutch Star is ready to lead the way.